x plus 2 equals x, then what will be the value of x if x belongs to real number? Let's start the solution. We have x plus 2 equals x. Now squaring both sides of the equation in order to solve for the value of x, that is x plus 2 whole square equals x square. Now expanding left hand side according to the algebraic formula, we have a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here for a we have x and for b we have 2. Now expanding accordingly, we write x square plus 2ab is 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square equals right hand side, that is x square. Further simplifying it, we can write x square plus 4x, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 square equals 4 equals x square. Now shifting x square to the left side, that is x square plus 4x plus 4, it will become negative x square equals 0. Positive x square, negative x square cancel out. We are left with 4x plus 4 equals 0. Now taking 4 is common, we can write 4 into x plus 1 equals 0. We have to find the value of x, so removing 4 from left hand side, we will divide 4 on both sides of the equation. That is, from left hand side it will cancel out. We can write x plus 1 equals 0 upon 4 will be 0. Shifting this one to the other side, x equals negative 1. We have got our result for the value of x, that is negative 1. Let's verify this solution whether it exists or not. So putting back this result for the value of x in the original question, that was x plus 2 equals x. Now replacing x by its value, that is negative 1, we can write left hand side is for x negative 1 plus 2, similarly on right hand side negative 1. Now solving negative 1 plus 2 will be equal 1 equals negative 1, which is contradictory, that is 1 can't be equal to negative 1. So here real solution does not exist, that is this does not verify our original equation, so no real solution for this equation. It is not possible to find the x in this case as a real because x belongs to real number, so it is not possible. We have simplified this equation. Kindly subscribe our channel.